Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to download or install Tinder application on your mobile device. For this guide, just open up your App Store or your Play Store and bring up the search bar and type in Tinder app and hit the search. Now over here you can see the Tinder application. Just click on Tinder application. Now from over here you can install the application by clicking on install button. Scroll down a bit, you can see the reviews. I'm going to install this application. It might take a while to install depending upon your internet connection. Wait for it. See guys, your application has been installed. Now enjoy this app by signing up. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notifications so you never miss the upload. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.